For the past 45 years, Carnegie Mellon has been at the cutting edge of research for robotics.
The university has a rich history when it comes to solving advanced robotic applications. And at CERLAB, we work on addressing a lot of industrial problems.
CERLAB stands for Computational Engineering and Robotics Laboratory. Right now, what we focus on is creating research for the next generation of construction and improving structures and accessibility to housing and different architecture and beautifying spaces. Industry really needed an injection of technology for construction. Shimizu Corporation came to us with the application of creating a concrete spray 3D printing mobile manipulator to create beautiful architecture where you can have very complex surfaces and shapes, and apply robotics, especially mobile manipulators, to this. The Vention system here behind me is a smaller scale robot that we can use to see the environment, understand what the robot's working with and what the current process is, so we can capture all four corners of the part that we're looking at. That way we can see an all-round view of the part and be able to scan and gather data on it to approximate the concrete printing process and create the actual desired shape. So we really needed a solution in which we could have a modular base where we could move around the lab. That's how we came about Vention, where we have both the accessibility to collaborative robots, where we can also have solutions like the base that we have here, where we can move around the lab and create any testing environment that we need.
One of the major problems we often have in robotics is what kind of robot to use and how we are going to be using it with our own setup. Vention was a great help because they helped us quickly identify exactly what model would be right for us. Currently, I am working on a project for our industrial partners where they can perform remote inspections using robots which are present where the inspection is happening, and the operator is located at some other location using something like a VR headset. We enable this by having a robot system which has a bunch of different sensors like cameras mounted on them, and the user feels like they are located on site with the robot, and then they can control the robot, move it around and perform visual inspections of critical parts instead of having to come on the site. So essentially, the robot is an avatar of the person, so it feels like they are located on the site and are performing the inspections themselves.
My favorite part about doing research in CERLAB is being able to test everyday solutions and being able to move from simulation environment to real-world application with our robots in the lab. So that's really fun to do every day.
For me, working on this project is a very exciting thing to do because of the quality and speed of the robots that are available in the market now. And having a partner like Vention who provides us with the tools required to do that is a great thing for us.